Hey everyone, I'm going to clean my fridge. It's been way too long. It's embarrassing. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. Hint, I'm just using water. So, I'll show me. Look at this. My elderberry syrup spilled and then it just kept dripping and dripping. And then something happened back here. This is terrible. I've been meaning to clean it and I just keep closing the door. So, a few things you can use. You could use your netted dishcloth and pick up all the food crumbs with it. And look at that, already better. So, you can get all the crumbs with this, and that way it's not going to clog your EnviroCloth, because again, people have been asking this question a lot. Look how tightly woven the EnviroCloth is. The crumbs would get stuck in there. So then it's harder to rinse out the crumbs. So I'm just getting most of it up with my dishcloth. If you don't have this, you can use your kitchen cloth or something. So just with this one alone, look at this one's scrubs. I love my dishcloth. I use this all the time. Okay, so that's with the dishcloth. Or what you can use, which this thing is so helpful. This is the kitchen scrub cloth, the blue kitchen scrub cloth. Where is the tag? Here it is. Blue kitchen scrub cloth. This does not have BacLock, so you can use this for grease. You could use it with soap if you want, but we don't need to use soap. But this thing is scrubby. It's the same backing as the bathroom scrub mitt. So people actually will take this and use it in their shower or in their soap scum. Or in your kitchen, you can wash dishes with it. Put this up here. So this is very scrubby. If you have something that's stuck on here, like jelly can get stuck, you might want to just spray some water on it and let it sit so it softens up a bit. But with this, all you need to do is just scrub. It's going to come right off. So what I used to do, and this just, I still am like, what were you thinking? I would get the Lysol kitchen spray and just drench it. I don't know why, I loved spraying chemicals so much. I think because I'm lazy and I didn't want to spend too much time scrubbing, so I thought if I just sprayed it and soaked it with the Lysol, it would soften it up and make it easier to clean. And I thought, this is a lot of chemicals in my food, you know, there's going to be fumes, but it's a kitchen spray on it, so I literally thought, oh, it's fine. That was before Norwex. So, ta-da, it's all clean, and I just use water. So this is microfiber, but it doesn't have the same ability to pick up the bacteria as the kitchen cloth or an EnviroCloth. So I like to use the kitchen cloth because it stays in the kitchen, so I've only been cleaning kitchen surfaces with it. And look at that. It's all clean. Now I need to do the drawers. And I'm not going to show you the rest of it because you guys will probably judge me and unfollow this group. Because I'm a Norwex consultant and my house should be perfectly clean, right? Wrong. Let's see what... Amberly, I just did this yesterday. So yeah, that's a good idea. I was thinking about doing that too, but mine came pretty clean. It was just like that dried on stuff. But okay, I'll show you a little bit of this. The elderberry syrup dripped all over. Look at, it like spilled everywhere. So now I'm just going to take everything apart. But it's so easy to just quickly wipe it up with your kitchen cloth. And no chemicals. Look how easy this is. Why didn't I do this earlier? Because there's other stuff and it's easy to just close the door and you don't see it. Clean. Now I'll take these out and clean this. So that's how you can clean your fridge quickly with Norwex. Rosie, yeah, this thing is pretty cool. I use it all over. I need to clean my microwave too, so I'll use this to scrub it because some of the stuff has exploded in there. And remember, you can also use it in your bathroom, so it's really awesome. All right, ladies, please tell me I'm not alone. Tell me your fridge looks dirty too. All right. Okay. See you later.